Hello, are you there? Long time no see. Una miss me at all? Did you people miss me? Ndị Igbo, unu chọrọ m. And the go 2 days on forum. Anyway, I want to quickly analyze a post by one of my brother from Ikwere, the tribes. As you can see, this picture on the screen, according to him, there are 4 region structure for the south. This is the southern part of the country we are showing you now, southern part. And there are 4 region structure. And one is southwest region. It's in white, you can see white. Then the second one is Midwest region, plus Niger Delta region. That one is in green. Now the third one is southeast region in white too. And also is also in white. Now, well, we have another one, green belt region in yellow. Okay. Meanwhile, part of that green belt region, I think we have Cross River there, or Akwa Ibom, which is south today. You see this map, Seth? Look at this map very well. Look at south, the area called south. Just look at it, how it surrounds southeast. You see that there is a lot of wayo. So look at what our brother is suggesting for considerations. It's like a proposal. He said, taking into account the historical, cultural similarities and perceived ancestral links between some Middlebelt tribes and those of the South. Hence, it fashioned out the alignment that brings these people together under the same regional structure. Now, for further considerations, there is an option to carve out Igbos of Kogi. Listen carefully. There are Igbos in Kogi, and they belong to their land. Their land is where it's supposed to be. But carving them into the Middlebelt region is wrong, or, even not. They are called not until recently. We heard of the Middlebelt, carving them into North. These are Igbos, so maybe you call them Northern Igbos. And this disconnects them from their Array people. I understand where he's going. Now, based on ancestral link, we have the Igbos of Kogi and some in Benue State. And they should be carved out, like he said, and put into Ebonyi. Yes. To form a new Igbo state, we shall come under Southeast. That is what he's suggesting. And I think it's a good proposal. Rather than going into Southeast to fragment us further, like the ones who are trying to do something with Olu State. I think this makes more sense. You see, like I said in some previous video, you see, most of those representing us at the House, the Senate or the House of Reps, they are good. They know what they are supposed to do, but they are not doing it. They only do what, like those proposing a TT state. I don't know how many people told them to go and do that. They are intelligent, but they are doing the wrong thing. That is what I'm trying to say. So these are brothers making a good suggestion. And I know some of them sees our video. But what are they doing with it? They only do the ones, I don't know whether favors them, or maybe some people from other regions are pinching them to do. I don't even understand. You understand? With this state, we should be having a new Northern Igbo state, according to him. Yes, and I agree with him. Now, he went further. He said, although Kalabari and Okrika are predominantly Igbo stock, yet the areas were ceded to Midwest Niger Delta region with other riverine river states. Similarly, the Igalas, who are also of the Igbo stock, are ceded to the Greenbelt region with Idoma and Ogoja, etc. Now, he said, for the same reason as above, few communities that lies in between the major Igbo cities of Obibo, Opobo, and Boni has been added into Southeast. Igbo land is very big, just that they are fragmenting us. They are trying to reduce us. They cut Igbo land and place in other regions. So they start making those regions to feel as if they are enemies. That is what happened. And we should start working together to see ourselves together. We should start coming together to work together and, form a powerful front. You understand? We should stop seeing ourselves as different, irrespective of. You should start looking at it as if, what were we before Nigeria was formed? That is how. Because Nigeria is a new name. Our ethnic name existed before Nigeria. Yes, it existed before Nigeria. When was Nigeria amalgamated and called Nigeria? But these ethnic names have been existing. So what do you think? I want you to add your comment. I support our brother's claim. And add your suggestion to it. We'll come back again. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share this video widely. Bye-bye for now.